I painted the whole room myself, as well as shot 3 music videos in it. The guitar is sick, by the way. What the? What the? It's like blood stained. What the hell? Okay. The guitar again. 2 guitars. This is a very bizarre room. You say you painted it. I'm guessing this wall you painted? This is a really weird room. This is very bizarre. I don't know what to make of this. Seems like you film a lot of videos. Wait, can I? I'm going to copy your name. Let me see what comes up when I search it. Okay. Oh, they're a streamer, I think. Oh, they play live music. Oh. Let me look at this. Let me find. Let's have a look, chat. They film videos in that. See how they come out. Found it. All right. Let's have a look for a video inside the room. Okay. Pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty damn good. That's pretty good. Average Shinobi viewer. Dude, what, talented? That's fucking impressive. Very nice. Very nice. All right, well, considering it's more of a filming and it's multi-purpose, I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7.